if you're encountering an RSS feed error on Simplecast, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your RSS feed URL. Make sure that the RSS feed URL you are using is correct. Double check for any typos or missing elements in the URL. You can test the URL in a web browser to see if it loads properly. Step 2. Validate your RSS feed. Use an RSS feed validator tool to check for any errors in your feed. These tools can help identify specific issues that may be causing the error, such as missing tags or incorrect formatting. Step 3. Review your episode metadata. Ensure that all episodes in your feed have the necessary metadata filled out, including titles, descriptions, and audio file links. Missing or incorrect metadata can lead to feed errors. Step 4. Update your podcast settings. Log into your Simplecast account and review your podcast settings. Make sure that your podcast is set to public and that all settings are configured correctly to allow your feed to be accessible. Step 5. Contact Simplecast support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Simplecast support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the RSS feed error on Simplecast quickly. If you continue to experience issues, don't hesitate to seek further help from support resources.